Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola here, AE29 DIY. So today I am going to be, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing some spray painting. So I want to first of all go to B&Q to just go and buy some spray paint. So guys, come along with me and let's get onto this DIY. Ciao. So let's first go shopping. Guys, so I've decided to get this one. I want to get, so I've had to ask the question whether the lid is the color that will come out. So the gold will come out this color, so hopefully it's going to look nice. And there we go. So let's go and buy it now. Bye. So guys, we've bought our spray paint now and let's get on with the DIY. So firstly, I bought this vase from Poundland. You can spray paint whatever you feel like, but I'm doing a vase because of the occasion that's happening. And yeah, I got this from Poundland. I think in the States you guys call it the dollar store. So cheap and cheerful, and let's get on.
Wow.